What is up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. As promised from the previous vlog, dadalhin natin si Project Raize, who is there at the back, tsaka si Project Jeepney sa Camp Boa. So magka-Camp Boa tayo ulit. If you guys don't know what Camp Boa is, ito yung trail na pinuntahan natin dati using Project Raize nung bone stock pa yung Raize. So ito si Project Raize, ready to go off-roading. So if you guys haven't watched the previous video, marami tayong new mods na in-install kay Project Raize. Like as you can see, yung fog lamps, bago yan. PIAA. Yun. So shout out nga pala kay PIAA Philippines kasi as you can see, si Project Jeepney may bagong livery, full PIAA livery. And that's because itong shoot na gagawin namin today is for PIAA talaga. Mamaya i-unveil natin to kasi ito ang first ever in the Philippines na new lights ng PIAA. So mamaya natin re-reveal yan and makita niyo what makes it so special. Kasi special siya talaga. Yan. So what do you guys think of the new livery ni Project Jeepney? And of course, my dad is here as usual.
Hello.
Si Uncle Lawrence andito rin.
Ayan. Salim pusa.
Nakita niyo si Uncle Lawrence guys nung nag-over thunders tayo. Yan. And then, yung patrol niya andun. Yan, very nice. Then, these are a bunch of random people na ayaw magpakilala. Andito ulit si Cholo. Kasama natin siya ulit.
Redemption time.
Tapos si Justin andun sa likod eh.
Redemption time for the Raize.
Oh, redemption time for the Raize. So, hopefully we survive. Record muna bago mabaha.
Yeah. Selfie muna bago tumaob sa river.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, we've entered the gravel area papuntang Camp Boa. Eh ayan na, medyo gumigiling-giling at umaalog-alog na yung Raize.
So far so good. It looks like the Raize is holding up really nicely.
So by the way guys, si EJ is a first-time overlander slash trail. Basta first-timer siya guys, yan. So first time niya oh my god. Wait, check this out. Ayan guys, TCS off, TRC off. Eto na. Maraming nanonood.
Franz, watch for the rocks ah.
Yes, watch for the rocks.
Nadaanan mo yung mga rocks.
Oh my god.
Franz, you see me waving at you?
Yes. Parang medyo mataas to ah.
Off the left side of the river, make an arc. 3, get set, go.
So na guys, let's do it! We survived! That was pretty intense, gago. Kala ko di tayo makalampas dun, pare. Medyo malalim yun, di ba? Yeah, dude. Dude! Pati yung dad ko, pare, na heart attack. Pakita. Ano na?
Ayos!
Ba't ang lamig ng kamay mo?
Kinakabahan ako eh. Oh my God!
Okay, one down. One more to go.
Malalim ba yung mga andun?
Hindi pa namin nakikita eh. Medyo malalim siya.
Kasi towards the end, I felt
the whole
like,
car was like,
yeah, and I felt like kailangan ko palagyan ng gas.
Yeah.
The Raize survived.
Everyone's so happy na nag-survive yung Raize, guys. Over here on the left, kita nyo guys, ang ganda ng view. We're literally probably in the middle of nowhere. Sila yung nagko-cross ngayon, panoorin nyo yung dinadaanan nila. Hahanapan daw nila ng daan yung Raize.
Kaliwa pa konti. Ayan, alright. O yun.
Kaya ba? Parang hirap na hirap siya, tingnan mo. Oh!
Franz, did you see that?
Yes, sir. We're not supposed to be here with this car. Let's do it.
Okay, go left. Yes, go. Okay, tapos. Yeah. To the left. To the left pa. Left pa.
slipping! It's slipping! It's slipping! Yeah! We did it! Yes! Up here!
Sa dami kong ginawa, wala pang gumagawa na. Medyo maganda sa vlog yun, bro, ha?
Shout out to Overland Kings!
Hey, what's up, bro? How to survive your race
Okay!
in knee-deep water. Yan. Lang yan, oh.
We survived, guys. That was wilder than the first one. Kinabahan ako dun. Hagdaw muna.
Pasok naman sa video lahat yung ginawa mo, di ba?
Pasok.
You shot everything,
Yes.
That could be the worst, the best shot, or the worst shot you're gonna give.
Pwede mag-fail eh. We survived! Yeah! Okay. Yung last part, nakagas ako pero hindi maandar yung kotse. Grabe.
Oh shit! Tumupi yung plaka, guys, oh. Your fog light fell off. Yung PIAA na fog light na ulog. Joke lang.
Sila ni Overland Kings nag-install na doon.
Something smoking.
Normal yun, napasa eh.
Butas yung radiator, okay lang yan.
Pag di tayo naka-lift today, guys, baka hindi na tayo nakatawid doon kasi medyo mataas talaga yun. Sobrang steep na to.
Can't even see the road, oh.
We're gonna slide for sure, guys. Kasi putik to eh.
Just go. You got it. And just cut. You can see the rocks. Ito mo, hindi masyadong malalim.
Let's go, guys. I'm giving gas pero hindi nagta-traction. Puro ba to? Let's try.
Kaya. Bueno.
Hoy, naka-floor na ako. Ayaw umandar.
You got it.
Matras ka muna, Franz. Huwag ka dito napakyat. Atras ka muna konti.
We're gonna attempt to go up this hill again.
Power down.
Yes.
Yeah, boy! Woohoo! Yes! Yes! So guys, welcome to Camp Boa. Kailangan makita yung pagkain. Pwede.
Mag-free time na pumunta ko si Uncle dito, ang daming gadgets sa ano eh.
New toys.
Pakatapos yung magluto, sasabihin na lang, and knowing is half the battle. Onions with a little Hungarian.
Kami ha, marami yan. Tig ba kayo sa bawang?
Oo!
Yes,
Ubusin
wow.
Mahilig kayo sa bawang.
Ano pa yan?
Oy, spicy. Ayan, makikita mo yung mga mga peppercorn.
Parang hirap na hirap ka.
Hindi, kasi masyado maliit yung ilalagyan eh.
Ganda guys. So yun na sa jeepney ngayon, yung yellow na yan. That's the first in the Philippines. I-cover kasi yan eh. Pag tinanggal mo, may sarili siyang DRL na bilog. Na yellow din. Gago, basa na talaga yung socks ko. Ako din. Wala na. Basa na oh.
A few moments later.
Kaya ba to? Grabe! Paano natin tatawirin to?
Ano yan? Mukhang nabalaho yung 79.
Aray. What's going on? Puro sayad! That was so crazy. Kanina, dinadrive natin yung jeepney. Andito siya. Yan. And, unfortunately, sobrang taas na ng tubig. One of the last few river crossings that we did, umabot yung tubig hanggang dito sa hood ng car. And then, yeah. And I don't think kaya ng Raize yun. So, problema natin ngayon, paano uuwi yung Raize?
So far, Franz has been able to get this car in with 4x2 with just a mild lift. Ngayon, we're trying to figure out, just in case we need to pull you, we gotta find a recovery point, a tether point, so we can pull at least with any car we have.
Tama. Kasi guys, if you remember, nawawala nga yung tow hook, di ba? Hinahanap ko sa bahay. Nawawala. Oh my God.
Mas malalim ngayon, no?
Lumalim nga.
Yung sa gym ni kanina bro, hanggang sa tail light eh. Yung pagbaba niya, sa likod ako, pag ganun niya, tail light.
Oh my God.
Lubok tambucho.
Ay.
Franz, what shoes are you wearing?
Wala, Nike lang na kung ano-ano.
Yeah, is it the wrong shoe, Franz?
Of course.
Bro, ito tawag dito, deflux shoes. Bro.
Give luck shoes, ha? Sige, Franz, go.
Oh, yung camera.
Hindi ikaw ha, yung camera. Okay lang si Alex.
Ayun, nandun yung niluto natin. Kasi nag-trail kayo kanina eh.
Maapaw yan kanina. Garlic is good.
Sarap.
As the raindrops crystal falls, stand fire. Shining through.
Postik pala.
Second verse. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Building castles. You and I. You gave me your reason for loving you. And I love what I'm feeling. And it'll all begin when I met you.
What is up guys? I'm here with EJ.
What's up?
Nasa loob kami ng jeepney and we are actually on the way home. Yes, you heard that right. Nasa loob kami ng jeepney and we're on the way home. It's because kailangan namin iwanin si Project Raize dito sa Camp Boa. Because yung mga river dito, umangat na yung level ng tubig and Project Raize won't make it. Ulan ng ulan, sobrang slippery. I'll see you guys. Well, probably when I get home. It's gonna be a long night for us. Mahirap na rin mag-film kasi madilim.